the Gem Gems, the weekend. It is Sunday morning. Everyone is enjoying a weekend at home. Where is Kenny? He is in the living room. What is he doing? He is reading a book. Where is Jenny? She is in the bedroom. What is she doing? She is still sleeping. Where is Andy? He is in the kitchen. What is he doing? He is making breakfast with Mom. Where is Roboty? He is in the bathroom. What is he doing? He is cleaning the floor. What a good robot! Wake up, Jenny! Good morning! What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. How are you? I'm hungry. How about you? I'm hungry too. Let's eat breakfast together. That sounds great. Wash your hands. Are you ready? Let's go! It is a beautiful weekend. What do you want to do? Where do you want to go? When do you want to go? Do you want to go to the restaurant? No, I don't. Do you want to go to the library? No, I don't. I want to go to the mall. I want to go fishing. I don't know. How is the weather? Oh no! Why? It is cold, rainy, windy, and snowy. We can't go fishing. Let's go to the mall. Good idea. How should we go? We should go by bike. No, Kenny. How should we go? We should go by bus. No, Jenny. How should we go? We should go by train. No, Andy. How should we go? We should go by car. You need an umbrella, some money, a wallet, and a bag. Oh, don't forget, you need water. Andy, can you turn off the TV? Sure. Jenny, can you close the window? Sure. Kenny, don't run. Oh no, whose bag is this? It's Kenny's bag. Whose umbrella is this? It's Jenny's umbrella. Whose wallet is this? It's Andy's wallet. Wait for me! Dad, I want to go to the game store. Can we go? Of course. I want to go too. Yay, thank you. Which do you like, the animal game or the dancing game? I like this one. Excuse me, how much is this game? It's $100. We can't buy it. It's too expensive. We don't have money. How much is it? It's $20. Here you are. Thank you. How long is the movie? It's 2 hours and 10 minutes.
Ho, ho, ho.
Hello, Santa. How tall is the Christmas tree? It's 3 meters. When is Christmas? It's December 25th. Let's take a picture together. Look at these pictures. They are very cute. What is your favorite animal? I like dogs. What is your favorite animal? I like cats. I don't like snakes. Wow, it's a lot of toys. Look, so many toys. What do you want for Christmas? I don't know.
Hi, Ian. Hello. When are you coming back? Please come home soon. We need vegetables for dinner. We need fruits for breakfast. Please go to the supermarket. I am cooking dinner. See you soon.
Let's buy a potato, a tomato, a carrot, an onion, fish, an apple, milk, eggs, fruit, grapes, pineapple, watermelon, and rice. I want to buy ice cream. Let's buy ice cream. Can you buy ice cream, please? Okay, let's eat ice cream after dinner. It's our dessert. Thank you, Daddy. What a nice weekend. It was fun. Let's go home. Are you hungry? Yes, I am.